Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about passport automation system using Aadhaar card number. Throughout this session, we will talk about this existing system, problem in the existing system, proposed system, workflow in the proposed system, architecture or some informal diagram, and then some UML diagram, and we will conclude the session with the conclusion. What is the existing system? For the existing system, there is first time registration to get an application form. First you have to register yourself in the portal, then you have to fill the application form. The system will generate a appointment date. On that particular date you have to visit the Passport Seva office. There you have to submit all your related documents and verify yourself. Then if this steps work properly, then again another appointment date will be given to you and police verification will be done, and if everything fine, then passport will be generated. So what could be the problem in the system? In this gate appointment and visit Passport Seva office step, it takes too much of time. The distance between the time gap between filling application form and getting the appointment is very much, and also if there is some server problem or technical fault on that particular day, so there will be a long queue in the office, and the visitor or the applicant has to wait outside the office. So we are trying to solve all this problem by automating the data collection process and automation in data verification process. One-step verification will be done online, and so there should not be any waiting time in the passport office. So workflow in the new proposed system, the application like the previous system or existing system, the applicant has to register himself or herself into the portal. Then he has to upload all the related documents after filling the form, and especially he has to give exact 12-digit Aadhaar card number. And what will passport officer do based on this Aadhaar card number? Here the passport officer will collect all the documents from UIDAI server, that is Unique Identification Authority of India. They are providing this Aadhaar card, so they are all the data is already stored. So passport officer will collect those data and compare with the data what is given by the applicant. And if you feel genuine, then you will go for the next step. Otherwise you can cancel the application, or then if you feel genuine, then the system will generate a date or a appointment date. On the date, the passport officer along with the local police will verify the applicant. If all the steps goes correctly, then passport will be generated. Now come to informal architecture. In informal architecture, we split the architecture into 5 stages, like data acquisition, data representation, data processing, data servers, and quality of service. In data acquisition layer, especially all the data are collected, like filling the application form, upload the documents, and the passport officer will collect the data from UIDAI server. So through all these steps, data are collected, data are stored into the passport database system to represent the data representation layer, and data processing is done through some steps of sequence and done by the various persons like passport officer, police, the applicant, and there is a query manager who gives the frequent query or frequent query on the passports. And the data service here is talking about especially the notifications here what we are generating from the system, like the appointment date or the approval of the passport. All the notifications will be sent through SMS and email. And the quality of service here, we are concerning about the third party collaboration and security. Here we are providing security and authentic security in login, and also security in the database to secure all the data. And for the money transaction process, we are concerning with one third party who will provide the secure channel to transfer money from the applicant to the passport office or passport department. Then modeling with UML. UML is nothing but unified modeling language, which provide us a standard way to visualize the design of the system, and that helps us to visualize the system before designing. So here I am using Microsoft VIT-SCSE-OOAD-Passport 2013 to draw the following diagrams like use case diagram, class diagram, and sequence diagram. So in use case diagram we are talking about all the cases, all the cases or what's the actual services that is provided in the system, like applicant can log in, filling the application form, uploading related documents, check status, cancel application, and for the passport officer collecting all the data from the UID server, then processing the application, and residential verification, of course, is done by the passport officer and the police together. Then the class diagram. In class diagram, we are all the objects we are classifying into three classes, like applicant, passport officer, and the passport. Applicant has some properties like username, password, then name, address, gender, father's name, mother's name, all these things, Aadhaar card number, email, mobile number. This username and password will be used for this login, and all the other generally used at the time of filling application form, then uploading all the documents. At the time of modification, you can modify all this information. For the passport officer, there is also username and password that helps you to log in. Then this Aadhaar card is nothing but the applicant's Aadhaar card, which you take to collect data from the UID server, and which helps you to process the application for the next step. And for the passport, there is application number and there is appointment date. On the date, especially this verification, police verification is done. In the sequence diagram, here the sequence of steps through which the passport is printed step by step. First, applicant has to log into provide all the steps or to provide all his documents. Then for the login step, there is some check credentials step. If given okay, then he will be logged successfully. Then filling application form, upload related documents, make payment. If payment is successful, then go for the next step. Fill in the application form. He will take the printout of the application form and he will be logged out. And for the short time of period, he will be active. After that, he will be inactive. All the other will be active, like passport officer. First, we will log into the passport server from where you can get the application number and Aadhaar card number. Based on the Aadhaar card number, and after verifying himself to the UID server, he can collect all the data or view all the details what is already stored in the UID server and compare themselves. If he feels genuine, then he can approve, and here one notification will be given to the applicant that his application is approved. Then the passport officer will collect all the biometric details what is stored in the UID, like retina scan, fingerprint, all these things will be collected from the UID service. Otherwise, the application will be cancelled, and then the cancelled notification will be sent to the applicant. Next, there is a police verification process here. There is a block of statement that should be done together, like passport officer and police will do the verification step together. So this is a block of statement, and again the combination comes to genuine condition. If genuine, then it is printed, or if not genuine, then the passport will be cancelled. So at the conclusion, I can say that this existing system is much efficient, and the new system is much efficient in the existing system, and which takes the less time. The data collection process, also the verification is more effective, because one step is done online and another is done by manually. So it is more effective and existing system. Thank you.